In today's video, we're gonna see about tables. So tables are represented in a grid format. So at first, we will include a table element, and inside it, we will be adding two things: table head and table body. For that, we use T head and T body. In table head, we will use headings, which will be inside our tables. For example, this is table heading. I wrote first name. In the next, I wrote second name. And in the T body, we uses table row. T or table row. In table row, we represent data. For example, first data will be name, and second data will be core. So save this file and go to your Google Chrome, refresh the file so you will be able to see this first name and second name. But we are not getting a border because we have not added. So go to table. We will see more about borders in our CSS chapter. Border, I will give it 2 pixel border. So now you are able to see that. If we want to add more rows, so we will add one more row, and inside it we will use table data. So I wrote like Harshit, and in the next I write Sharma. Go to your Chrome and refresh the file so we're getting Harshit Sharma. So I repeat, at first we create table element. Second, we are having table head and table body, which is T body and T head inside table. And inside T head, we have table heading, which is first name. And then we have one more table heading, which is second name. And in T body, we have two rows. In those rows, we have table data. In the first row, we have table data as Japneet, and second table data to be as Japkar. And in the second row, we have first table data, which is Harshit, second is Sharma. So this is the row 1. This is the row, the Harshit row. This is the second row, and this one is the table head. Inside that, these first name and second name, these are table headings. So this was for today.